Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to transfer funds from a Fifth Third Bank to a non-Fifth Third Bank. First, log into your Fifth Third Bank app using your user ID and password, and then here at the bottom you'll see Move Money. I want you to click on this option, and to send to a non-Fifth Third Bank, what I want you to do is use Zelle. They have a Zelle integration within the app, so click here to pay and request money using Zelle. And then what you do is you choose either send money or request money. So if you're getting money into your account, choose request money. If you're sending money out, choose send money. And then you can just choose from your recipients that you have available. You can enter their Zelle tag as well, their email. You can click on the plus icon here to add a recipient. But once you've chosen your recipient, right, you'll see the Zelle tag, their email. You just enter the amount to send, let's say $12. Then you hit review, and you'll see how much you have available for Zelle as well. Then hit review, right? And then you can add a memo if you want. Click on send payment, and the payment will be sent to them. Typically within minutes, they'll have the funds in their account. And you can click here on got it, and you'll see it under recent activity as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.